Hi guys, I'm Inga, freelance illustrator. I have been painting for 15 years, so I have a bit of experience in this field. And I'm obsessed with watercolor, magical things and cute stuff. And in my classes, I constantly share the knowledge that I have about the Procreate and how to create beautiful watercolor illustrations digitally. So welcome back to my today's class, and today we're gonna learn how to sketch in Procreate in a fun and simple way. Because I truly believe this is summertime and probably for many people it will be time for traveling. So let me show you the ways how to sketch in a fast way and what are the tricks of combine pencil illustration all together with watercolor. So in the end of my class you will learn more about the Procreate, how to sketch, how to use layers, clipping mask, alpha log, and how to create beautiful pencil and watercolor art digitally. Today's class is also pretty simple and fast, because I think summertime is time to stay outdoors. So let me show you the ways how you can apply your Procreate and iPad when you are somewhere outside of the house and you want to create some lovely and fast illustration. So I'm here to show you the whole process, what I do when I travel and when I want to create lovely pencil art. And now let's talk about our class in details. So first of all, I will show you where to find all the freebies and how to import them into the Procreate. Then I'll show you how to create texture paper, and our next step will be how to sketch in a fun and simple way. And then I will show you some ways how to add some watercolor and at the same time don't spend too much time on that. And guys, as a bonus, I will share with you my custom brushes, color palette, my own pictures that I drew. This class is great for beginners. Of course, if you have basic understanding about the Procreate features and maybe intermediate level, actually for everyone who likes sketching and who would like to try some new ways of doing that. And one more thing that I want to mention is that your opinion and your feedback are very important to me. So feel free to tell me what you think about the class in discussion or review section. I will be glad to reply to you. My dear art fellows, I can't wait to start, and definitely I can't wait to see what you upload to project section. Let's not wait, grab your iPad with Apple Pencil and Procreate and let's paint together.